Alright, welcome to SC Custom Designs. So now we're at the point, this is the episode with the bandsaw boxes. The whole series is being recorded. No steps left out, including this step. So basically you can see what happened is there's various levels of this wood here. And you can see by the thickness that I've been cutting so far that basically I had to figure out, well, how am I going to make the bottom part of that flat? There's so many ways to do a thing. I personally think that that is the best way to do it on the bandsaw. I contemplated doing it on the table saw. After about 3 seconds, I said, no, that's not really going to be efficient for me. So I went ahead and I have to be very careful how much stock I'm removing from this. So essentially, I mirrored and traced out a line from this unit here onto that unit, which is, of course, the joining piece of the bandsaw. So I didn't want it to take all the time to set up my camera just to do this. So I basically did one, and I'm almost ready to cut through to the other side. So I thought basically I can handle this safely. Don't do this if you don't feel safe. And by the way, I feel safe, so no worries. If you're just starting out doing these things, I can imagine how frightened you might be about trying to do something like this. So let's just finish it off. Alright, so you can hear all the comments coming on. Where's your guard on your bandsaw and all this good stuff. Definitely do those types of things. Keep your guards on there and keep your guard up, so to speak. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a look and see if these guys are somewhat level with each other. Okay, so got a nice flat bottom now. And lo and behold, here we go. Not too bad. All right, so that was that. Now we have to deal with this. How to clean this up here. Okay. Now I could do the same thing. I could come here with the bandsaw, draw myself a nice line, and then cut it. That's probably what I'm going to do. Alright, but I'm not going to take all the time to set up my camera and all that. It just takes too much time. I'm a one-man operation here, so next time you see this, he's going to look pretty cool. It'll be nice and flat, okay? Again, I'm doing a series on the making bandsaw boxes. I'm spending a lot of time on this particular one. I've showed you how to do everything so far. Taking a solid joined up pieces of wood and making amazing drawers like this, for example. That's actually a drawer. Okay. All right. Thanks. This is a short one. Probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made. Take care. We'll see you in the next episode.